So let me start. Yeah, we are continuing with one use case, I guess, actually. Yeah, so hold on, please. After that, bag of force and TF and IDF. Let me just try to make a note on this. So let me take this. Sir, we done these are all. That's it. Let's open this. And before that, there is a topic bag of force actually. Okay, let's move on. That's okay. This is just a 1 hour session, sir. I will finish that. Now this we already done. Upcoming topic. Okay, so I hope today the continuation topic is like I need to remove stop words from the text data, I guess. Am I right? I still remember. Let me take this data and I can just try to copy into the file. Team, I'm shorting online team. Can you hear me? Control S, story underscore input. By default text file, you no need to give dot extension. If you're not giving any extension, by default, it is a text file, sir. Okay, so point number one, what we need to do is, first of all, load a file. Yeah, I can just have to take this. Notepad++, are we done? Okay, so can I use Notepad++ actually? Import the required libraries. I'm sure till where I have done, this one we done. This one is the continuation topic, but anyway, this example I can recall one more time. Online team, look at my screen. First of all, we're importing the required libraries. Let me give an idea about the libraries. Matplotlib, what is, okay, good. Daniel, what is the purpose of here we are importing? What tokenization I'm planning to apply? Matplotlib for visualization, NLTK. Based on the main library, we have to import that. We are importing the class. Daniel, why this class actually? To check the word frequency. To check what? Word frequency. Okay. So let us just have to load the file. We are loading the file actually. Whenever you're loading the file, we will get object is a, so that open function returns object. That file object it returns actually. You can just try to come here. Yeah. Open function returns what exactly mean? Object. Open function returns object. Now, so who need that object? I just need a data. Then what we need to do, so final. Otherwise, you can make it like a text actually. Data dot read. Data dot what exactly, sir? Read. So if you are printing that text data, then you will get whole inside the file. What are all data would you have? That data we are going to get, sir. So please understand this. Come on. Yeah, good. It is returning. Read method is giving open function giving object. That object name is called as a text input output wrapper object. Cheppandi sir, text input output wrapper object. Some information. There is a file I have seen. This is the so and so file mode, reading mode actually. Some encoding technique it is applying. But I don't want this object, Daniel. I just need a data. I just need then call a method. The method name is called as a read method. What method, sir? Read method. Read method, what it will, instead of this data, instead of this object, we have a text data. It will convert into the string format and we'll get a string data. We'll get what data? String data. Rerun this example. We'll get an idea. Yeah. Yeah. So successfully we are getting these are all 3 paragraphs actually. Okay. Let's continue, sir, please. The next one would be any idea what exactly I'm doing? What tokenization I'm applying? We done this one yesterday. Now, Daniel, I just wanted to filter. I just wanted to remove all dot symbols. All what symbols actually? Dot symbol. Yeah, you can just have to cleaned, clean text. I'm sure you already know P1, P2, P3. Now, can you help me? What is the logic actually? You can just have to iterate. These are all things. Word in words actually. Now here, if chapter sir, this is the condition. Yeah. So then you can just have to get that word actually and make it into what exactly? Yeah. Now Daniel, ready. I mean to say we are done. We are done. I mean to say successfully we have removed dot symbols. What symbols actually? Dot symbols. If your text data can contain comma symbol, dot symbol, any hyphen extra symbol, all things it will be removed. Not only dot symbol. Why? Because we applied here such a nice method. Method name is so called as a. If it is alphabets, then only it can filter. If it is alphabet, then only it can what exactly? Filter. Maybe somebody texted from your batch yesterday. Imagine, Daniel, there is a string which contain alphabets and dot. Alphabets and what exactly? Dot. Then you are not done practice of word tokenization actually. If you apply word tokenization, what exactly happen, all alphabets separate, all symbols separate. Please make a note actual. That's why here, there is a reason. Here still you can apply split. Still you can apply, but you should not apply. Why? Because split can include the symbols, but word tokenization cannot include. That's the reason. That's the reason. Please understand. మీరు అది అర్థం చేసుకోవాలి. Then though it is not including any special symbol, then you can use is alpha method. What method, sir? Is alpha method. Yeah, we done this. And we done kind of some visualization also. Let's run this. Ayo, plt.show. Good, man. Good. Maybe yesterday exactly I have stopped here. Now the next step. Let me continue. Sir, and is not important word. The is not important word. A is not important word. Anyway, these words are called as a stop words. These words are called as what exactly? Then what we need to do now? We have to remove these words also. Then load the text data, remove the special symbol, remove the stop words. Then the remaining words are important words actually. The remaining words, what exactly mean? Important words. Okay. Now let's do that. First of all, to do that one, what we need to do, sir? First of all, get the list of stop words. Get the list of what exactly? Stop words actually. How to get the list of stop words? This is the way. You can just have to take this. Yeah, Daniel. We are taking list of stop words. Now, stop words are ready. Is it okay? S words. Can I make it like, S words actually. S words. Swords. No. S words. Ready, sir. Now our task will be every word we need to compare with what exactly? Stop word. If it is stop word, we have to filter. If it is not stop word, we need to take. Please, we done that example. Kada? Yeah, come on, let's do that. Here also, let us just to apply. This one will be, I can say clean text 1, and this one will be, I can say clean text 2. We are applying actually. Okay, same story. P1, P2, P3. P3 actually. Any idea here for again you can is it okay, Daniel? Word 1, word 1, word 1. That's still okay. This one should be, I can say word 2. In Chapan sir, where I need to read actually? Perfect. But not words. If you are again words, you are going back actually. You are going in a reverse words. Again, the symbols it will be included actually. Here you need to apply logic in such a way that yeah. So then this stop words, if word not in stop words actually, then we have to take that. We know this logic, sir. This one should be what exactly? Word. And here yes, stop words means what exactly? Yes, underscore words. That's what we have defined. Now can you help me? And this one should be perfect. Now all words, remaining words are such a beautiful words actually. This you need to be considered. E words ni మీరు consider చేసుకోవాలి. See, like a raw code we are writing. What is not defined? What is not defined? Oh, sorry, sir. Good. If you're getting error, that is okay. Feel happy. From error, you can learn many things actually. Sir, these are all important words actually. But by reading, almost 90% you will get a clarity. Upon time, old mother pig, 3 little pigs. I'm sure by looking at this one, there is a pig story. Pig discussion is going to happen. Are you with me or not, sir? Good. Let's take this one. Daniel, what exactly you have done actually? So simple, sir. We loaded we loaded a text, we loaded string from text. Then the next step will be removed. We are removed actually. What we removed, sir? Special symbols. No, applied word tokenization. Removed special symbols and removed special symbols and chapter stop words. This is what important actually. That's what you need to be understand. Yeah, I applied. Did you remember? I applied what exactly? List comprehension. But if you see the code and here I have applied like for loop and these are all things actually. Imagine if you're using list comprehension explicitly, you no need to define separate list. Why? Because the result is the list. Result is. But if you are using for loop actually, get ready. You have to create a separate list and you have to add every word actually. Sir, takes a lot of time. Rather than for loop, list comprehension is super fast actually. For loop కన్నా లిస్ట్ కాంప్రహెన్షన్ ప్రాసెసింగ్ చాలా స్పీడ్ ఉంటుంది. చాలా స్పీడ్ ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, యా. Maybe Daniel, I just wanted to find out online team. Are you following? Online team? Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Please make a note on this. And did I included this? Yeah. Let's run this, sir. Did I miss anything? Good, good, good. Thank you. This one, right? Is it okay? Okay. Any idea? Can somebody tell what is this? Object creation. While creating an object, you are passing something. Backend constructor will execute. What will execute? Construct. This object having method means called as a most underscore common. Most underscore common method actually. Then here I just need the top 10 words. Top 10 words actually. Yeah, it is returning. Oh, little 5 times. Then that word is important. The whole paragraph. If you want to do one thing, go to the newspaper, take any paragraph, and you can apply this. That that news article, what exactly it is highlighting, you can understand very easily actually. They will try to keep on repeat if they wanted to focus on anything actually. Go to the politician. They will talk always one word actually based on that meeting. Are you with me or not, sir? Okay. Little 5 times. Pig how many times? 4 times. House how many times? 4 times. And old how many times? 2. Enough. Good discussion. Okay. Take this one. Now, Daniel, I just wanted to plot. Then you can just have to call this. Can I close these are all? What we are not using? Why I have opened these are all? Okay, let's close this. Let's close this. Close this. No. Close this. It's okay. Fine. Here we go. Let's run this. Very good, sir. Little how many? 5 times. Big how many? 4 times. Respectively, we are getting actually. Ensure that make a note on this one. Really good one actually. Good one. Daniel, what is this example? What I closed, uh, which I never అసలు maximum అది క్లోజ్ చేయను బట్ అది క్లోజ్ చేశాను అంటే లెట్స్ ఓపెన్ దిస్. Daniel, what exactly you done actually? What exactly I have done, sir? We are plotting the word frequency. We are plotting what exactly? Word frequency actually. Word frequency. Take this example. That's what we done. As shown above, the final graph, sir, this is the common pattern. Take any example. This is the common pattern. Go to the Amazon reviews, copy 4 to 5 reviews, and you can just try to apply. This is the way. Load the data. Otherwise, you can do one thing. Just try to copy 1,000 reviews in one. Otherwise, go to there is a one website, Google reviews. You can just try to Google reviews. You can download actually. They will give the text file. Load the file. Apply this. You will get an idea. NLP program, if you are giving lot of text data, 1 GB file, 2 GB file, it takes a lot of time. Why? Because lot of processing. Am I right or not, sir? If you want, can we run this example? Hold on. Example manam, is it okay? Can I expand this example for your better understanding? What I will do, Did you understand what I'm doing? Let's run actually. Oh my God, huge words. Let's try. Okay. Are you ready? Can I run the code actually? Run cheyamantara? Let's run it. Did you notice taking time? It is processing. Loaded the file, processing. System may hang also. Oh my God. Can you tell me? Little how many times actually? 30,000 times actually. And the next one big how many times? Sir, you no need to count manually. Do you want to do confirmation like a little 1, 2, 3? If you are counting manually, it takes a lot of time. But did you notice it has taken some processing time? It has taken what exactly? Like that, when you're talking about this one, big text data client will give actually. Big text data. You can expect lot of paragraphs. Lot of paragraphs actually that you need to process. That you need to process. I hope you understand. If you want, you can copy more actually, and you can just have to process. If it is taking long time, then you can enjoy actually. Why? Because that is actual data science example you can see. System unable to copy. Control J, it is not handling actually. At last step. I understand your aggressiveness actually. I understand. Hold on. Now let us run actually. We copied. Yeah. Now let us run. Let us add one small word. Please be patient. It is running in the backend. Almost, did you notice 4 lakhs line I have seen? Yeah, yeah. How many? 47 lakhs? Oh, processing, sir. It won't bother. It takes some time. Now here, sequential processing. What processing? Think like this example takes 10 minutes time. There is a one topic. The topic name is called as a job lib, not pickle file. There is a separate topic which is called as a job lib actually. By using that, you can bring parallelism. By using that, you can bring parallelism. See, it is taking time. You can create a 2 to 3 threads. Did you run unnecessarily? Last 2 minutes. If it is not running, I will stop. That's why during demo, students used to ask, right, is my system, enough actually? If your system is good, like a graphics card, actually, if you're having graphics card, you will get result very quickly. Stopping, sir. Anyway, it is taking longer time. I wanted to show you, that's what I have written in this example. Go to the running notes, this file. Oh, 514 MB, half GB. What is that? Half GB actually. You will get sound also, system. Maybe if fan, gira tirutu untadi actually. Okay, good. I'm stopping. Is it okay? Can I wait actually? Half GB. We almost waited. Now, if you wanted to run very fast, then expand your system actually. Like a more configuration system required, you need to buy the system. That's why OpenAI companies spend money to buy a systems actually. Yeah. Did you notice? You are unable to wait for 5 minutes, right? They wanted to create such a good AI product. Even they don't want to wait actually. That's what they expanded the systems. Then all systems are running parallelly to get the results. That's the beauty. Real time లో మోడల్స్ రన్నింగ్ ఇలాగే ఉంటుంది. It takes little longer time. This is actual example. Let me stop this. Normal example itself, it is the slow. Control C. When you apply, imagine your program is running. You wanted to stop in between. Control C. Control. Then you will get a little error. What is that error? Keyboard interrupt. So I'm running, but somebody stopped through keyboard actually. That's issue. Okay. So you do one thing. Let me just have to delete this file. Otherwise, gone case actually. Right? Are we done this example? Yeah. Let's delete this file. Don't ask me to upload this file actually. Okay. Now the next topic name is called as a word cloud. What is the next topic? Sir, can I tell you this topic somewhere I covered? Where I covered? During data visualization, part number 2. Part number 2 or 1, I'm not sure, but I'm sure during data visualization I covered actually. Now that day, part 1? Yeah, during data visualization actually. Yeah. That day, I told don't worry, this is data NLP topic actually. I didn't discuss that day one topic. Today I will tell you with you. Today I will tell you. So what is the topic, Let me tell you. The topic would be I will do one thing. I'm sure you already know the code actually. Let me take one small text data. No. This is Daniel from Narishati. and Daniel used to teach Python, used to teach pandas, used to teach so ML actually machine learning. Yeah, good. I have a small question. Daniel, how many times? 2 times. And used how many times? 3 times. And teach how many times? 3 times. Now we'll do one thing. Let us just have to provide the dot notation. Let us apply what exactly, sir? Word cloud actually. I will explain this example. Please be patient. See, we are applying word cloud. This point might be new point for you. While creating an object, you can call a method. While creating an object, you can call what exactly method. This is possible. Otherwise, go to the next line. You can just have to call like this also. This one also possible. Make artha sir. Okay. Yeah. Now this is about the image and that I am show image. That image size. These are all things you need to apply. Team, let us run this code actually. You have to, okay. Pip install word cloud. To work with this example, we have to install a new library. Yeah, let's rerun the code actually. Yeah. Sir, did you notice? First, there are few points I will talk with you. Used how many times it is available? 3 times. Teach also how many times? If you want, let me just try to write one more word actually. And he is to teach, deep learning also. What exactly mean? Deep learning also. Let us just try to rerun. Let's close this. Yeah. Back to the session. Used how many times? 3. Teach how many times? 4 times. Which word is more number of times? That word you will get like a bold letter actually. See, exactly. Teach, big word. The next one, used, seems to be very, I mean to say, in the given text, teacher. Someone is talking more about the teaching, and used also, Daniel also. Did you notice here? Can I ask you a question? What is actually? Stop word. Conclusion of the story. Word cloud is by default, it is handling the stop words. Next one. What is this symbol? Any idea? It never it never won't care at all actually. Conclusion of the story, whenever you are working with the word cloud, it will delete automatically. What it will delete, sir? Special symbol it will delete, and automatically it will delete stop words. That day I didn't tell this point. Why? Because you don't know what is a stop word. If that day if I told it remove the stop word, what do you mean by stop word? That might be counter question actually. Now today you will get a clear picture. మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా sir? Right? Fine then. If you want, I will talk with you one more point. Which one? All words contains. Okay. Good. This is Daniel teaching Python. All words are only one time, right? Sir, some common priority. The word cloud when it will come, So yeah, it's like a teaching Python Daniel. So that's what. Those words are important. Okay, it's like a normal priority words only. Are you with me or not, sir? Okay. Is not there, dot is not there actually. But when we need to use this one, there is a text data. I just wanted to find out best example. Go back to the previously. You can just have to take that one. Where is that actually? Manaki, we have some. Can I take this one? multi-line string, how to create, any idea? Yeah, 1 2 3 1 2 3. Let's run this. This is exact. Very nice. If you closely observe, I'm sure little bigger words actually. Pig, next to house, enough, build, old, lazy. These are all small, maybe one, two times actually. Clear, sir? Right. This exactly. If you want, you can run one more time and you will get a clarity. Now, my conclusion. Whenever you are applying word cloud, by default it will remove stop words. By default it will remove, చెప్పండి sir, special symbols. Special symbols actually కదా. Yeah. Word cloud is a data visualization technique in which words from the given text it displays on the main chart. You will get a diagrammatic representation. In this technique, more frequent or essential words displays in a larger and bolder font actually, and less frequent or essential words displays in a smaller or thinner font. It is beneficial technique in NLP especially that gives us a glance at what text should be analyzed actually. And this is really very good one. By looking at that one, see there are three paragraphs. Just trying to walking through that paragraph, which what is word frequency finding takes little longer time. But if you create a diagram, it helps a lot actually. You need to understand. Okay. Can I ask you a question? What is the word cloud? Class. We are creating an object. And we are creating an object by using that object name. Okay. We are not calling anything. That object. Oh, sorry. By using that object name, we are calling a method. Method name is a generate. Can I explain this line actually for you? This one is a. First of all, let's take this. There are some conclusion. Conclusion would be by default this topic will remove stop words and what exactly, sir? Punctuation symbol. Automatically, it removes automatically. Okay. All right, sir. You can just have to, if you want, I will explain this point. Hold on. Sir, this is almost equals to, take this, both are same. If you want, I will write one small example, you will get a clarity. Okay. Did you understand? Now, we'll do one thing. Let us just have to, one small example. Class student. Can I write one small method? Method name is called as a, okay, indentation. By default, actually, DEF, M1 method, and the self. I can just have to tell here, hello. S equals to student. S equals to what exactly, sir? Student. Then S dot what exactly? M1. This is the common way, kada? Manaku telisina vidhanga. But while you are creating an object, this is still possible. M1. But we are not calling this. Manu ila call cheyum. This is still possible. Not only this one. See, you are getting some. This one is not at all required also. Still this one is valid. There are many ways. But we are not using these are all. Then why? Object is really required. Why? Because not only M1 method, so reusability, sir. What is that? If no object actually, every time you need to call this one gone case. Every time objects creates. then every time constructor executes, lot of memory utilizations is going to happen. That's why create one object, reuse. Create one object, what exactly? Reuse actually, right? These are all valid. Below examples are valid examples actually. First S1, general way, I can write like this. This is example number 1. Or perfect. That's it actually. These are all Python oops patterns. Okay. So that's what you need to be understand. So here this text you can provide any text actually. Now let's move on to the next one. Can you tell me what is the topic name, sir? Bag of words and TF IDF. Bag of words or what exactly? TF and IDF actually. Damn sure interview question. During interview, first of all, project they are using, no doubt in that. During interview, they are asking, without this question, there is no NLP interview. Without this question, there is no NLP interview. Yesterday, one person got one offer. Did I show the mail actually? Venkat. Okay, okay, good, good. Thank you, thank you. Why I'm telling? Yeah, company started recruitment actually. Go back of the words, and these are all things you have to be understand. Get ready to understand. Come on, come on. Can you tell me what is the topic name? Bag of the words. It is a method of extracting essential features from raw text. Okay. Best example, there is a text data. There is a 3 paragraphs or 10 paragraphs. Now, out of that paragraph, I just wanted to know which word is important, which word is not important. That important word is called as a feature. Go to the machine learning. Used columns, I mean, important columns are called as a feature. In NLP also same terminology. The word which is not important, that is not essential feature. That is not what exactly mean essential feature. So that we can use it for machine learning model. Yeah, you can use it for kind of some NLP model. A bag of words model. Yeah, can you read this one actually? What is the topic name? Bag of. How much important it is, can I prove actually this one? This is very, very important, sir. Recently, 2 months back, I read one book. I like books reading. Here and there, weekly or 10 days, I can take one book actually. The best authors I would like to read. I read one book and I found this topic. I feel, oh my God, I found this topic. Found this topic actually. That book name is so called as a book name is so called as Orieli publication. Large language models Orieli publication. Author is J. Can I show you? Give me 1 minute. Yeah, hands on. I'm sorry. Hands on. Very, very important, sir. First of all, this is completely Gen AI topic. Orieli publication. His full name J so Amar actually you can say like that. Hold on. If you give me 1 minute, go to that book actually. read the sample version. If you walk through, this is completely Gen AI book. I will show you one diagram. He written very nicely, diagrammatic representation. I'm sorry, last 1 minute. Yeah. The recent history of language AI. Can you read the first word, first topic? Bag of the words means important. Actual NLP revolution starts from this topic. Actual, make a note on this. Okay. This is such a excellent. He written very nicely. Anyway, so let's move on. Expensive, sir. This book is expensive. I used to spend money for books reading actually. Okay, fine then. Let me explain one more time. It is a method of extracting essential feature from what exactly, sir? Raw text. So that we can use it for machine learning model. So that you can use it for what exactly? Machine learning model actually. One small point. Let me add actually. Best example, once you know the subject, slowly by slowly, you have to transform into self-learning actually, self-reading or self-learner. Best example, let us just try to go back. You already know 10 points. You already know 10 points. Let us go for list data structure. If you are trying to reading new book actually, first of all, initially choose Indian author book. Indian authors only. Don't choose US authors. Such a typical words they will use actually. Then while you are reading, you can understand the topic and it may be added 1 or 2 points actually. Are you with me or not, sir? So slowly by slowly, not immediately. A bag of words model converts the raw text data into words and it is also counts the frequency of word. Simple man, word frequency. That to here, word frequency you already know. What is a new here? Simple. What is a new here? You know, sir. If you are giving text data, it will give array data. That's the beauty. It will give array data. So let me show you how it is giving actually. Come on, let's move on. Bag of words. Think like there is a, in a olden days, our grandmother or grandfather, they used to hold the money with am I right? So bag like this actually. There is a process. Raw text. Next one, clean text and tokenize, build vocabulary, generate vectors. Come on, one more time. Raw text. Always from client will get a raw text. Clean text. We have to clean the text actually. And we need to apply tokenization. What tokenization? What? Next one, build vocabulary. Like apply POS. The next one, generate vector. Generate vector means nothing but array. Nothing but array actual array. Let's take one small example. So let me take one small example. I will tell you. Daniel, what do you mean by raw text? This is the original text. This is what exactly is our original text and which we wanted to perform analysis. This one is the original text. Next one, clean text. Since our raw text contains some unnecessary data like a punctuation marks and stop words, so we need to clean up our text data. Yeah, yes, sir. Ante kada. Imagine, go to the CSV file. Handling data frame is nothing but first to handle the missing value. First to handle missing value. Here also, somebody have given text data. You have to clean unnecessary symbols. You have to clean stop words actually. That is a pattern you need to be understand. What is the next one, sir? Tokenization really matter. Tokenization really matters actually. Maybe I already told that example. Let me repeat same example. In a olden days, go to the Nokia mobile. Even nowadays also, normal mobile. Whenever you are texting to somebody, word count matter. Character matter actually. Almost 180 characters is one message, I guess. If you cross 180, it will count like a message number to maybe 2 paisa or 5 paisa. It will be deducted actually. Are you with me or not, sir? On conclusion of this story, when you're talking about the text data, that word count really matters. Tokenization. You know OpenAI company? OpenAI company. They already created the model. They already created what exactly? Model. Can I tell you? Here, let me talk more actually. This is out of the box, but let me talk. OpenAI. These guys already created text models. So if you want, let me tell you Chat GPT. What exactly mean Chat GPT model they have created. Now, think like you are working in company, working in what exactly company? That company is kind of healthcare domain. What domain actually? Healthcare domain. Chopin sir, what domain? Healthcare domain. Now you wanted to integrate. You wanted to what exactly, sir? Integrate Chat GPT. So Chat GPT with your project, with your what exactly mean project. Then you have to pay the money. You have to pay what exactly? Money actually, right? So pay the money and get the model. Get what exactly? Get the model. Like configure the model. Pay the money and configure the model. Configure what exactly? Configure the model actually. The model. Sir, they will charge. They will charge per word. Per what exactly? Word. So in your company, once you integrate it actually, if you're asking, can you please respond? There is a person having fever. What tablet I need to give? Then ChatGPT will respond. You have to give Dolo. You have to give Dolo per word. It will charge $0.00 actually. Do you want to see the details? I have that account. So we need to include with your credit card. We need to include dollars actually. OpenAI API. Maybe this is not required for you. Login. Do you know this? That's why OpenAI company will get huge money. Almost all companies are using. You need to pay the money. That's why after DeepSeek came, people people started using DeepSeek and stopped using what exactly? OpenAI. But later on DeepSeek. What is the problem with the DeepSeek? It will respond very quickly for 2 times. Third time onwards, it will tell server down actually. I'm sorry, China product, right? Then people again started actually, right? Maybe can I log in with not this account? I have my old account actually. Please don't ask validation. I don't have a time. Enter code. Mm, that's what I told. Please don't ask validation. I'm sorry. I can quickly move on, but I wanted to show you. No network here, sir. Sorry, sir. I didn't get any. Yeah. So I wanted to show you from my account actually. I used to use OpenAI in daily base. When I'm asking any question, they will charge per word actually. I have integrated with my some personal projects. They will charge actually. I have many dollars in my account. Yeah, you have to include in a dollars actually in that account. If you want, I can show you. OpenAI, OpenAI, AI, API pricing actually. Pricing API. So yeah. Did you notice input? So there are $2 for what exactly, sir? 1 million tokens actually. And see, this one will be mini. This one will be nano actually. These are all. These are all you need to be understand. Good. Anyway, let's move on. Conclusion of the story. Word matter. They're charging per words actually. Okay, let's move on. No, Yeah. Somebody asked a question. Canva code. What is the topic actually? Canva code. Are you aware about this? Yeah. Now let me talk about that one. Let me tell you the points. Canva code. By using that, the development can be speed. The development can be what exactly? Speed. But no one never lose the jobs actually. Can I tell you the reason? Best example, let us take a non-technical person. He wanted to create a website. He wanted to create what exactly? Website actually. He can give the prompt and he can create a website. But let me tell you, though he is from non-technical, right? Non-technical means non-technical, that's it. If he is facing any technical issue, let me tell you, he will get a favor actually. I'm sorry for saying. He don't know how to fix that issue. Are you with me? Now coming to the developer side. Indirectly, let me tell you, when I was working in Java, those days, on an average, the project duration minimum 1.5 years actually. Minimum how long time? But the same project nowadays, though ChatGPT came, these are all tools came, on an average, 8 months we are closing. 8 months, drastic change actually. The development is very fast. And especially those kind of tools, it will be helpful for the developers only. For what exactly? Developers only. Developers only. Are you with me? So there are more jobs are being it. Can I tell you one small story? In 1990s, I still remember. In 1990s, so when the computer was invention, people tell like many people will lose the job actually, but computer created the jobs. Are you with me? If any new technology came, it may impact with the kind of some automation jobs actually, but it creates the new jobs. It creates what exactly, sir? New jobs actually. Okay, good discussion. We'll see. Wait and see. Maybe the tool how it is running. Wait and see. We should encourage these kind of tools. This is original text on which we wanted to perform analysis. Currently, AI transforming is seriously super. With my whole experience, I'm telling. I do have total 12 plus years of experience. From last 2 years onwards, the complete AI is completely moving to reality actually. Olden days, we used to talk, the application can be like this, application can be like this, application can be like this. But nowadays, they're implementing and they're showing actually. In a olden days, only theory, but nowadays they're talking with actions. Almost all companies, they started implementing AI applications actually. That's seriously amazing. Seriously amazing. Okay. Tokenization represents the sentence as group of tokens, blah, blah, blah. Bildung vocab. So it contains total words used in the text after removing the unnecessary data. Vocabulary, vocabs. Generating vector. Yeah. So it contains the words along with their frequency in the sentence. So conclusion of this story, I will show you. Example, you will get an idea. So we'll do one thing. Let's take a few scenarios, few sentences. Jim and Pom traveled by bus. Think like there is a, three sentences. Second one, the train was late. First sentence, Jim and Pom traveled by bus. The second sentence, Chopin sir, the train was late actually. Third sentence, somebody telling the flight was full, the traveling by flight is expensive. In second sentence, which one is the more frequently used actually? I need a response from you. Which word many number of times? Generally, if anyone traveled first time over the flight, he will try to use the same word. I traveled by flight. Flight was expensive. He wanted to stress that flight word. Imagine other guys wanted to focus that word actually. Now let's see. Let's take this one. There are three sentences. Sentence 1, sentence 2, sentence 3. Let us take all words. Jim and Pom traveled by bus, and the train was too late, and the flight was fully traveling. The flight was full, and traveling by flight is what exactly mean? Expensive. It's okay. Next point. Sir, count. These are all how many times? Any idea? One. Jim. In the total sentence, one, 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 one. The count actually. This one also one. Why two actually? Any idea? Flight two times. Make a note on this. Okay, fine then. Now, combining all words. Let us just try to combine all words actually. And here we are taking these are all, and we according to the alphabetical order started from A and closed at what exactly? Till last W letter actually. Now this is called as a vector, sir, array. I have given three reviews, three sentences, but we are getting something like a numerical data. What data? Why array? ML algorithm, I mean to say NLP algorithms also will understand numerical data itself only. That's what you need to be understand. If you keeply focus on this one, left hand side, sentence 1, sentence 2, sentence 3, top. And how many times, man? One time. Why here is a 0? In second sentence, and is not there. Same thing like that, keep on this roll and fly to 2 times. We already know this. Any other? No. Right. Daniel, do I need to do this one manually? No. That's a beauty. That's a beauty with the code actually. Any idea what is this? Class. Very good. Then import the class, create an object, call a method. Your task is over actually. Can I implement this? You can just import this class. Create a sentences. There are 3 sentences would you have? Any idea what is this? Object creation. That's still okay. Wow. By using object, we are calling a method. Method name is called as a fit underscore transforms, and these sentences we are passing. At the same time, the result I wanted to convert into array and wanted to store into result. Are you with me or not, sir? Right. On top of this one, we are calling one more method. Now let us just try to print this. We'll get an idea. Taking some time. Yeah. Let me run one more time. Please observe it is taking some time. Then I will talk about this one actually. Good. Sir, can you tell me what is input actually? The input is a string data. And we are getting, I mean to say array data we are getting. What data we are getting? Array data. I mean to say these are all, first of all, what kind of array, the word frequency. Talk with me. Word frequency. The array here it is actually. Okay. But this is the first technique actually. I hope even I have shown that book also. What is this? Bag of the words. But can I tell you this we are not using in real time? I will tell you the reason. First of all, you should understand what is the basic one. Then advanced one. Stemming. What is advanced? Lemmatization. Always understand the basic one. Application. This concept we can use in NLP application, but not using information retrieval from documents and classification of the documents. There is a small limitation. What is that limitation, sir? Semantic meaning. It does not consider the semantic meaning of the words. First of all, it will not apply any kind of some grammar. It will not apply any kind of word is right or not. It will not apply actually. It is missing that point. The next point, sir, on an average, 3 sentences I have given. Vector is array is a too big array actually. But think like I have given 1 crore sentences. Previously we have created, right, 48 lakhs, right? If we have given that one, it takes a lot of time. It takes creating array, it takes a lot of time. For large documents, I mean to say large sentences, the vector size increases, and which may result in what exactly, sir? High computational time. Yeah, that's really matter. Computational time. Pre-processing. In pre-processing, then we need to perform data cleaning before. Explicitly, we need to apply. But go to the word cloud. It is doing automatically. It is doing what exactly? Anyway, this one is the first topic it came. Later on, more transformations happen. Did you have seen in that book actually first topic is bag of the words only. Bag of the words only. Okay. Sir, I'm getting one call from office actually. Maybe back to back my junior is calling. I don't know what happened. We have another few minutes. Can I close actually? Is it okay? I'm sorry. Anyway, Saturday. So we done today's session. I'm keep on getting a call actually. I don't know. During Saturday he never called, but maybe it's okay. I have some personal work. Let's move on. Don't miss next session. In next session, we are starting Spacie library. TF IDF along with that Spacie library we are starting. Now let me upload it quickly. Yeah, thank you. I will upload the material. Please take care. Take care and good. ఒక్క నిమిషం వెయిట్ చేస్తారా? Yeah. Oh, it's not Spacie library. After that, there is one more use case we are going to see. Twitter sentiment analysis. We done today's session.